was midnight at the Bridge and Biscotti Club, and the air was thick with tension, coffee, and the faint scent of Mildred's lavender perfume. Rain tapped gently against the bay windows, but inside, the real storm was about to unfold. Tonight, something felt different. The usual banter had quieted. Even Tom, who usually babbled about revolutionizing the bidding system, sat unusually still, clutching his cards like they held the secrets of the universe. Andrew, Timmy's calm and calculating partner, reached into his leather satchel and pulled out a worn, leather-bound case, the George and Mildred Bridge test kit. Dust swirled in the lamplight as he opened it. "This," Andrew said, voice low, "is test number 1. A hush fell over the table. George, Timmy's uncle, a man whose bridge scars went deeper than most, leaned forward. Even Bartek, the self-proclaimed Biltcliff coup expert, sat up straighter. "Mildred's, ever patient and precise. This one's tricky. I remember George failing it. Once." Robert, the silent veteran who'd played more hands than most had lived years, simply nodded. "It's time," he said. "The 6NT problem." Test number 1. How to find the 4-to-1 club split. Contract, 6NT by South. Vulnerability, both. Opening lead, West leads the spade 8. The challenge. There are 2 potential losers, one in hearts, one in clubs. If clubs split 3-2, the hand is cold, cash AKQ and sail home. But what if clubs split 4-1? You must finesse, but which way? West or east? And what type of finesse? Direct, deep, or compound? East's 3-spade overcall suggests a weak hand with 7 spades, 5-9 HCP. That's your first clue. West led the spade 8, low from length? Or a singleton? That's your second. The declarer must avoid losing both a heart and a club trick. So, how do you make 6NT when clubs break 4-1? "You've got 30 minutes, Andrew said, setting a vintage timer on the table. The red sand trickled down.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Timmy's mind raced. East has 7 spades. That leaves only 6 cards in the other 3 suits. If East has 4 clubs, that's only 2 cards left for hearts and diamonds combined. Could East even have a heart loser? Bartek muttered, "It's not about the cards you see, it's about the ones you don't." Marjorie scribbled on her notepad, "East, 7 spade, club, heart, diamond." "Shape matters." Tom, sweating, whispered, "What if I lead a club to the 10? No, wait. What if I—" Robert just smiled. The timer beeped. Andrew turned the answer page. The path to 6NT. 1. Analyze the bidding. East's 3 spade shows 7 spades, weak hand, 5-9 HCP. With only 6 non-spade cards, East cannot hold 4 clubs and 2 diamonds and a heart loser. There aren't enough cards. 2. Investigate the defenders. Win the spade A. Then, play 3 rounds of diamonds and 2 rounds of hearts. Give up 1 heart trick to the opponents. Watch the discards. Observe who wins. 3. Cross-number hand pattern resolver. Use the count and shape inference. East has 7 spades. If he shows out of hearts or diamonds early, he likely has 4 clubs. But if he follows suit in both, he probably has only 3 clubs max, meaning West has 4 clubs. 4. Decide the finesse. If East follows in both side suits, he can't have 4 clubs, West has 4 clubs, deep finesse West. The key. Let the defenders reveal their shape, then strike. 5. Execute with precision. Once you know who holds the 4-card club suit, finesse accordingly. Control the tempo. Protect your entries. Result, 6 NT made. Down 1. Never. The room exhaled. Robert leaned back, stunned. So it's not just about the cards, it's about who holds them. Exactly, George said, smiling. Bridge is a conversation. You just have to learn how to listen. And Tom? He finally put his cards down. I think, he said, I finally understand. Want more? The George and Mildred Bridge test kit holds more challenges, each deadlier than the last.